Hello YouTube, this is Norm's neighbor coming at you again with another new tool. This is a Rikon 8-inch low-speed bench grinder. The model number is 80-805. This particular bench grinder has been recommended to me by our friends at the North Texas Wood Turners Guild as something that's really good to turn our turning tools for, or to grind our turning tools, sharpen them up for lathe work and things like that. So here we go. Let's have a look at it coming out of the box. Alright, so here on the top, we've already got some parts coming at us. Good old instruction manual. Now what do we have here? We have a couple of clear plastic parts. These have got to be the shields that go over the wheels. Got ourselves some mount parts, it looks like. There's some screws in there for sure. Got ourselves probably a couple of rests. And this is one of the nice things about this particular grinder. This is a dressing tool, and it comes with it. A lot of grinders don't. So here we got a couple of metal brackets. Hold that up for you. Let's see if I can't get this other one out. There we go. And comes a styrofoam. Looks like there's nothing underneath that. That's all there is for the styrofoam. Alright, let's hook this up. There is the tool itself. So let's go ahead and walk that guy on out. Looks like our cord lid's right up there. Alright, so there's our tool, the main event so to speak. So let's see if we got anything else in here. Silica gel. Got ourselves another piece of plywood it looks like. Now, two pieces of plywood, one on each side. And this is the bottom styrofoam. That's it, there's nothing on the back. This tool is real easy to take out. Let's go ahead and unwrap that. Alright, there we have it. Now I've read on these that the grinding wheels may not be balanced. Some people get them, they're already balanced, they're good to go. Some people get them and they have to take them off and rebalance them. So we're going to hope we don't. We've got two wheels, one side is coarse. I believe it is 60 grit. Yes, 60 grit. The other side, this is the 60 grit. That's the 60 grit wheel right here. This is 120 grit. Alright, so there we go. I may make another video showing you guys how to put this together, but that's the unboxing of the Rikon 8-inch low-speed bench grinder. Thank you much, YouTube, and I'll catch you on the flip side.